Wolf Moon Production. This video was helped by Blood Moon and others. Characters in all my videos that you will see soon. Make sure you hit the subscription button and subscribe. Tap the bell to get a notification when any new video is done. Bye. See you later.